guess it's safe to say I'm moving on. Safe to say you did me wrong. Safe to say I'm over you. Man, it's the last song. Back on my sheet, yeah, that one shit. I'm in the new zone. Taking my love, taking my heart, give you the dial tone. I don't want no parts with you, I just want a part from you. Cause your love is toxic, hurting me is what you do. I'm a baddie, addy, don't gotta be sweating you. I know that you lost me, you know that you lost me too. If you call me, just know that you get that dial tone. I don't want you in my life, not even friend zone. I don't want you in my sight, I ain't capping, I ain't lying. I don't want you in my life here no more. Not finna even the score, you know what it is. Ain't no saving you no more. Oh, me coming back for real. I swear that I'm so real. I'm loving how I feel, man, you know just how I'm feeling, yeah. Now I'm safe, I'm headed to the bank. I'm feeling this new vibe, I'm excited, I can't fake. I'm feeling good for real, I swear this smile real. My happiness a big deal, so I'm vibing and I'm chilling, yeah. I'm so lit, feel better than a bitch, no shit. I'm glowing and it's showing, yeah, I found the magic potion. It's inside you, darling, it's deep inside you, darling. Your happiness is waiting, I'm praying that you find it. Safe to say I'm moving on. Safe to say you did me wrong. Safe to say I'm over you. Man, it's the last song. Back on my shit, yeah, that one shit. I'm in the new zone. Taking my love, taking my heart, give you the dial tone. I don't want no parts with you, I just want a part from you. Cause your love is toxic, hurting me is what you do. I'm a baddie, addy, don't gotta be stuck on you. I know that you lost me, you know that you lost me too. Yeah, you come here, get that doubt on it, I ain't fucking playing, yeah.
Hey, it's me. I mean, you know that. I know I keep calling and texting. I don't mean to be annoying. This is me trying. I don't know if or when you'll ever call me back, but I'll keep trying. I don't know what else you expect me to do. I hope you'll listen to this all the way through. I don't really know where to start, and I don't want to say the wrong thing, and I know it won't mean anything unless it's coming from the heart, so I just want you to know that I'm sorry.